Sadly, this is exactly what abuse sounds like.
I am on the phone, and if you keep interrupting me, you're going to get your mouth spanked.
She sits alone in silence and fears the world beyond the door. Shadows dance upon the wall. She clutches her doll once more. A cry escapes her lips but is muffled by the doom. Her heart's locked up, whispers in the shadows of her
No,
room.
no, you can't. Stop talking. I'm on the phone.
The moonlight's her companion when the stars refuse to shine. Lonely child with a heart so bright, searching the dark for a friend tonight. As tears become her comfort in a world built from these crimes. Hold on tight, a friend will come through the darkest of the dawn. Lonely child, you're never gone, your spirit carries on. In every whispered silence, in every echoed plea, a friend you'll find beside you in a world that's meant to be.
She'll put you in the car seat again.
Harley, do you see the nails? You're going to get fallen, get one right in your eye.
Under skies so blue and grand, running free and laughing, holding tight. A gentle hand but screams pull her from slumber, and reality bites down. In a castle made of nightmares, wearing sorrow like a crown. But fairy tales have endings, and heroes find their way past the shadows in her dungeon, into the light of day. So hold on, little princess, till the morning breaks the spell. The echo of a friend will save you from this hell. Hold on tight, a friend will come through the darkest of the dawn. Lonely child, you're not alone, your spirit cheers us on. In every word that's silence, in every echoed plea, you'll find a friend beside you in a world that's meant to be.
He's going in the shed. Don't go to the road. No, Mama, no.
We've all been in the car all day.
Buried beneath the story of an insane court case. There is a small girl that has been forgotten by the people who swore to protect her. If you support this on any level, you are not a decent human. Stop the abuse. She deserves better.